Tina is about to perform open heart surgery. Then no work, then we have no 9 to 5. Our businesses.
Watch me picking it on the bike back.
And do something like this, you have to start jig up here, but then neighbors, what's going on? Let me come out of the darkness and into the marvelous light. Woo! How has your week been going? Mine has been interesting, but it's almost over. Let's push along. First thing we're doing today is to give you some updates on the plants that we purchased. Fernella and Zahra gave her plant a name and I don't remember what the name was. Fernella was for the fern, and the other one, the dumb cane, I don't remember what the name was, but I'll remember it later. They're at school outside on a little desk, so when I go there later, I'll try to remember to just show the progress. But we had purchased also the anthurium, I think. I'm no plant man. And got the breadfruit tree from Sister Jan, and we had a cacti that we purchased for Hannah and some other spots in the house. So I'm going to show you the progress for the cacti inside and I go outside for the breadfruit tree and so. So this is the first one. I'm look like him dying. Oh, what is? Aren't they supposed to require no water? Yeah? Yeah, I'm coming, but I try to give a progress on all of them. Why does it look like it dying?
What do you mean? What?
How can a cactus die? I know Leakim in the neighborhood is saying, boy Paul, if you kill, he said no. If anything happens to the cactus, then it don't look good for you, Paul. Let me check on the others before I continue. Also one right here. Yeah man. Yeah, so cactus to move, man, you don't need no mega attention. This one is thriving. Now for the one in Hannah's room. The one in Hannah's room is also doing well. So maybe the other one is not really a cactus like that, I don't know, but I don't think they're supposed to need the water, or that much water. Let's go outside though, because there's a problem with anthurium and probably the breadfruit tree, but I'll let you decide. So this is the breadfruit tree. I think it's fine because it was in shock, but there is life. I know that there is life in this tree. It's properly rooted in its soil here and it gets sufficient water. The roots are under there trying to get, however the planting work, get up to the stem and then distribute it. I think this will be fine. Just getting in its bearings, that's all. And Eden and Ava in the background playing. But Surgeon Tina is about to perform open heart surgery on this anthurium.
Let's see what's going on here.
So we know anthuriums don't require a lot of...
Careful, baby. No, come so close.
A lot of sunlight. It can't manage the burning up.
Right.
So we kept it inside, but we're wondering if we overwatered it or what. Have you seen a couple of the leaves? Tell me about the leaves first.
Yeah, so the leaves have been turning yellow and brown.
Yeah.
So I don't think that the leaves are all dying, and the flowers are also turning brown. So I am not sure if this is just the result of natural aging, but I just want to check on it because I feel like I may have given it a little bit too much water, so I just want to check. It doesn't feel excessively wet. It's a little damp, so just trying to understand what's going on.
Lots of roots.
So yeah, it may need a little bit bigger pot for all of these roots. It's pretty dense. So I'm just looking to see, you know, if there are any signs of rot on the roots.
So do you think it will live?
Or what? Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna just give it a little time, let it kind of dry out a little bit, the roots. Let them kind of dry out a little bit, and then put it back in the pot. I'm going to maybe add a little bit of potting soil, some of the potting soil that we bought, and then put it back in. I want to put some stones down in the bottom. I'm sure it drains well because it has these things in there, these little, you know, these little things that will allow it to aerate a bit.
I told him I'd check on Fernie. And what other one name? What did Zahra name hers?
Zahra named hers Sheila.
Sheila. So I'll check on Fernie and Sheila later. So when I go to school later, hopefully I'll remember. But Fernie and Sheila, they seem to be okay outside. They have them on a nice little desk, so they're getting the sunlight, the air, the water.
But they're not getting direct.
Not direct.
During
sunlight.
sometimes of some hours of the day.
It probably angles
in shade.
Right.
So they should be okay.
Ava, putting on gloves?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Alright. But this is the mystery one because the other two are fine, as I showed you earlier, but unless this isn't a cactus.
It is a succulent.
Yeah, a succulent. So.
It would have similar requirements.
But I don't know what we're doing wrong.
Maybe it just needs a different location because it's where it is, it's very, very dark.
Oh.
So maybe it needs just a little bit more sunshine. I'm gonna change the spot where I have it and give it a little water. I'm gonna see what's going on in the soil. So it feels very dry. So I know they require very little
attention.
Water, very little attention. So I cannot understand why.
They're loners. They don't need anybody to talk to. They're like accountants. Or IT people. For the record, I am an accountant, so don't get it twisted like I'm trying to throw shade at any profession. Accountants and IT people, big up yourself. No hard feelings. I do accounts too, right? So, but we're just kind of like being alone and just, you know, working by ourselves. Know what we're supposed to, and we'll just execute and we'll just do a thing. And we thrive.
Right.
That's it. That's what I'm trying to say. That's the analogy that I'm trying to make.
So what you say? Are the introverts of the plant world?
Yes, they require very little from any evil humans. They just make it. They can thrive in the wild. Yeah. You help mommy to garden. You need to get them some gloves too. Some baby gloves.
Yeah, but I think the fun is in the
dirt.
The dirt.
Okay, alright. Do nothing. Edie?
So
you enjoying yourself?
I just want this dirt to dry out.
Eva, you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah, man, they're full of words now. A lot of words they're talking. Very happy with the progress. As Tina would say, as if we missed this time with Leila and Zahra somewhat.
Yeah.
Because we were busy working or schooling and
It's alright, baby, no more.
you know, other people are giving them the attention at this 1.5, 2-year-old stage.
Yeah.
So to see it unfold, it's really something.
Working from home, and for me, it's the best sacrifice that I could have made because I sacrifice a full-time career so that I can be more active in their day-to-day lives.
You going to bathe them now?
Yeah.
Because Eva takes seat, you know.
I'm alright, man.
What is showing me? What is this?
Sure.
A stone. I did not know you know the word stone. Very good.
So this is the cactus. It looks like, yeah, it was a Ghana. It's wet, and the roots just came right off when I took it out of the pot. So this was a Ghana. The soil quality that it was in looked like it was quite poor, so
not the same as the anthurium.
definitely not, but it wouldn't have the same kind of requirements. They grow in different conditions. But yeah, this wasn't my fault because I haven't watered this since it came home. It looked like it was overwatered from before. And it's a goner, unfortunately.
Win some, you
I
lose
wish
some.
you could have any last words to the plant.
Yeah.
I wish you could have lived to see your full potential, but return to your dust, to the earth. Return to the earth.
How do you bury a plant if it's already supposed to be buried in the soil when it's alive? When it's alive, it's buried. When it's dead, it's buried.
Well, at least. No! How did I get this? Drink this now.
Drinking the soap water. Oh boy. So let me share a little story with you. So on Sunday, we were mission in action because we went to Emancipation Park and Devon House, and we went to eat some food, a little like a brunchish, lunchish thing to celebrate a special occasion in our family. And while we were at Emancipation Park, you know, kind of just gallivanting, I saw a nice little scene of a little bird just bathing and him washing him hair and shampoo, conditioner, and just, you know, frolicking and feeling nice in the little shade and the water. And it reminds me, you know what I think about it, of the scripture in Matthew where Jesus said, consider the fowl of the air or the birds of the air. They don't sow, they don't reap, they don't store in barns, but still the Father takes care of them. Are you not more valuable for God to take care of you? The lilies of the field, they don't toil, they don't work, they don't have no 9 to 5 or businesses, they are not entrepreneurs. But who can look as good as the lilies of the field? Who can look as good as them? That takes care of them. And I'm encouraging you and encouraging myself right now. You may feel like you're in a spot, but don't worry, God sees you as much more valuable than the nature that He's taking care of, the birds and the plants, the flowers. You are much more valuable. And if He takes care of them, you're guaranteed that He will take care of you. Alright? So that's my encouragement. Just go and enjoy and rest assured that God will come through. Go and check if Fernilla, and I can never remember the other plant's name. If they're fine now. And as expected, they were A-okay, enjoying life at Leila and Zahra school. Anyway, back home now. So, Ian and Eva saw Leila and Zahra doing something on the bicycle, and now they want to do it or be a part of it. It's going to take a lot of effort from us, but here are crying. What's the matter, Eva? What's the matter? What's happening?
She wants to go up.
She wants to go up? Alright, I'm going to show her. So Zahra was carrying Leila, or it's the other way around. One of them was carrying the other one right here. So the baby saw, and then the baby said, oh, this is kind of cool. So now Eden and Eva want to be carried on the back. Alright, baby, let's show them how we do it. Yeah.
What? What are you doing?
I'm going to show you what you want. Alright?
This is not safe.
Hold on, hug her up. Alright, go now, go.
Oh boy.
Go.
Hold on, Edie. You soon get your turn.
Go.
Hold on tight. Bicycle look a little better.
Alright, so that's the angle from the side.
Jesus, babe, do not let
I have her. Go, Sasa, go. Everybody enjoying itself? You good? Alright. Turn around now, Zaza. You're a very good rider. Go. Bring it to him. Everybody okay? Everyone love it, man. As she come out, she going to start. Alright, this is where... Edie, ready for your turn? Alright, the train stop right here. Get off, rider. Eva, it's Edie's turn now, Edie's turn. Come, Edie, your turn, come. Yes, Edie, your turn now.
Listen, you better make sure that they're supervised whenever we're out here now, because I'm going to want to try this thing.
Go now, Zaba, go. Alright, Edie, go. That's it, I guess I work in Pakistan, I don't. Indian countries, man. Edie, enjoying it? Yeah, what are you? Lovely baby. Alright. You like it, Edie? Edie, no for lighter on the back, you know. Alright.
Bike back! Watch me picking it on the bike back.
Do one more for Instagram. Now we stopped and everybody is still crying. Oh, our neighbors, between me and you, the stir fry thing, bigger than me still, the dancing thing. I honestly watched the video a number of times and I'm trying to figure out where to start, if it's my upper body or the footworks. And I don't think, I don't know. I don't know where to start. I think it's bigger than me now. But I don't want to do it. What I don't want to do is embarrass myself at a too great a level. Yeah. But because it's like, let me show you so far. So it's like you have to bend and do something like this. You have to start jig up here, but then the coordination for the foot part and up here, so it just not working yet. But I'm going to push on, you know. I'm going to push on. I'm going to make it. Just be patient with me, all right? But I hope you have a great weekend. Hope your week was good, and I hope if your week wasn't good and you feel tired and fresh, that your weekend will get replenished, rejuvenated for the new week ahead. Make sure you go to church Sunday or Saturday, and yeah, keep God at the center of your mind, right? So until next time, that's it from me and my host. All right, neighbors, bye.